Want to clear your digital footprint? So in this guide, I'll show you how to delete and remove all of your likes on Instagram quickly and safely. So first, go ahead, open your Instagram application on your mobile device, log into your account, then tap on the profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three horizontal lines or the hamburger icon in the top right corner. From this page, go to Account Center. And in the account settings, tap on your information and permissions that you will find in the account settings section, which is between personal details and ad preferences. Once you're over here, tap on your activity of Meta Technologies. And then tap on clear previous activity, that is between disconnect specific activity and manage future activity. Go ahead and tap on any profile that you'd like to clear for. Then tap on clear, which is highlighted in blue color in the top, and you'll be done. A confirmation message will appear, and that's it. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.